Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're excited to dive into a product that has taken baby celebrations by storm. The RUBFAC baby boxes with 8 letters and 36 balloons. If you're planning a baby shower or a birthday party for your little boy, look no further, because this is truly the best baby boy box out there. The RUBFAC baby box set includes 4 clear balloon boxes, a stunning assortment of 36 balloons, and 2 sets of letters that spell out, baby. Each box is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and ease of use. The dimensions of the boxes are 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches, providing ample space to showcase your festive arrangements. Whether you want to fill them with colorful balloons or other decorative items, these boxes are designed to captivate and elevate any party theme. One of the standout features of this product is its unique design. The clear boxes allow for a beautiful view of the colorful balloons inside, creating a whimsical effect that guests will love. Each box comes pre-folded, making assembly a breeze. You won't need to struggle with complicated instructions or tools. Just follow the simple steps illustrated in the product pictures, and you'll have your boxes ready in no time. What's great about the RUBFAC baby boxes is their versatility. While they are perfect for baby showers and birthday parties, their aesthetic appeal allows you to use them in various settings. You can incorporate them into gender reveal parties, decorate a nursery, or even use them for festive occasions throughout the year. With the ability to customize the letters, you can create a unique display for any celebration. Priced at $12.99, which breaks down to just $3.25 per count, the RUBFAC baby boxes offer incredible value for money. You get 4 durable balloon boxes, an assortment of vibrant balloons, and customizable letters, all in one package. For the quality and design you receive, this product truly stands out among its competitors. Another advantage is that these boxes are reusable. After your event, you can easily store them away for future use. Whether you want to pull them out for another celebration or keep them as decorative pieces, they are built to last. The durable plastic and paper materials ensure that they won't wear down after just one use, making them a sustainable choice for your party planning. RUBFAC also provides excellent after-sales support. If you encounter any issues or have questions about the product, their customer service team is ready to assist you promptly, ensuring a hassle-free experience. In summary, the RUBFAC baby boxes with 8 letters and 36 balloons is an exceptional product that can transform your baby shower or birthday party into a memorable event. With its unique design, ease of assembly, versatility, and incredible value for money, it's no wonder we've dubbed it the best baby boy box on the market. So, if you're ready to make your celebration extra special, check out the RUBFAC baby boxes today. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product insights. Until next time, happy celebrating!